If you want to build a website on Bluehost without getting stuck in a complicated setup, this video is going to walk you through it step by step. Bluehost makes it surprisingly simple to get a WordPress website up and running even if you've never built a site before. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to log in, start a new website, use the AI site creator, choose a design, and publish your site so it's live and ready to go. And if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the website section. This is where Bluehost keeps all of your site management tools in one place. From there, click Add Website. That will begin the process of creating a brand new website. Next, Bluehost will ask you what kind of website you want to build. Choose WordPress. WordPress is one of the most popular website platforms in the world, and Bluehost makes it easy to set it up automatically. After selecting WordPress, you'll see an option to create your site with AI Site Creator. Click that option to continue. Now, Bluehost will ask for some basic information about your website. In the site description field, enter something like fresh meals, coffee, and desserts. This helps the AI understand what kind of business or brand you're creating a website for. Then enter your site name. In this example, you can type restaurant. This gives the website a clear identity and helps Bluehost generate content and design ideas that match your business. After that, let Bluehost generate the website for you. This part can take a few moments, so be patient while the system builds your site. It's a good idea to make sure you have a stable internet connection during this step so the process doesn't get interrupted. Bluehost is doing the heavy lifting here by automatically creating a website layout based on the details you entered. Once the generation process is complete, Bluehost will show you design options. Take a moment to pick a design that fits the style you want for your website. You may want something clean and modern, or something that feels more warm and inviting depending on your business. Choose the template that looks best to you, because this will shape the overall look of your site. After you've selected your design, continue to the WordPress dashboard. This is where you can make edits, customize pages, add content, and manage your website moving forward. Even though the AI creator gets everything started for you, the WordPress dashboard gives you full control to make changes later. When everything looks good, click Publish. This is the final step that makes your website live. Once you publish, your Bluehost website is officially created and ready for visitors to view. And that's it. You've now built a website on Bluehost using the WordPress setup and AI site creator. This is one of the easiest ways to get a professional website online fast, especially if you want to avoid the stress of building everything from scratch. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.